How to create slide decks in NotebookLM. It's a very simple process. The first step is signing up for your account or signing into your existing account. Once you have, go ahead and add a source where you want your information to be taken from. Just click on Add Source. But first, make sure you've clicked on Create Notebook to have a personal notebook, and then you can begin searching the web for your sources, that is via the fast research option or the deep search. Now, there is an option to upload your files, which you can easily do. You could upload different kind of files from pictures to audio clips to PDFs and Word documents. Or you could make use of the website option where you simply paste a website link, or you connect your Drive, that is your Google Drive account, or you paste your copy text. All right, so once you have found your sources, all you need to do to get your slide decks is really easy. Just go ahead and select the sources you want to use. And once you've selected the sources you want to use, go ahead and click on slide decks here, and it's going to generate an AI slide decks based on your sources. And voila, it's beginning the generation here. All right, guys, so that's how easy it is to get it done. I do have to mention that the slides are based off of the conversations you're having with the LM, though this is still in beta, so there may be errors and mistakes. So watch out for that, and watch out for any inconsistencies between what is on your conversation here and what is on the slide deck. All right.